Hazrat Muslim bin Asija was a Sahabi, a companion of Imam Ali. He was greatly respected by Imam Ali, Imam Hussain, and Imam Hussain. He was a leading citizen of Kufa and was among those who had written letters to Imam Hussain, inviting him to go to Kufa. He was an old man, nearly 80 years old. When Ibn Ziyad wanted to find out where Hazrat Muslim bin Aqil was hiding in Kufa, he sent his spy to Muslim bin Asija. The spy pretended to be a devout Shia, and Hazrat Muslim bin Asija believed him and took him to Hazrat Muslim. Hazrat Muslim bin Asija never forgave himself for having accepted the story of the spy so easily. After the murder of Hazrat Muslim bin Aqil, Hazrat Muslim bin Asija slipped out of Kufa. He left Kufa by foot and traveled towards Mecca in the hope of meeting Imam Hussain on the way. Some historians record that he met and joined Imam at the place called Zubada on the same day as Imam Hussain got there. From him, Imam learned details about how Hazrat Muslim bin Aqil and Hazrat Hani bin Urwa had been murdered. Imam Hussain was grief-stricken. Muslim bin Asija said to Imam Hussain, "Master, I beg you to accept me in your party." Imam Hussain replied, "O Muslim bin Asija, whenever I see you, I am reminded of my father. You know that these people will not let me live. You're an old man. Go back to your family and give your children and grandchildren the honor of burying you when you die. Your age excuses you from jihad." When Muslim bin Asija insisted, Imam let him join his entourage. On the day of Ashura, early in the morning, Muslim bin Asija went to Hazrat Habib bin Muzahid, removed his turban and asked Habib bin Muzahid to tie the cloth of the turban tightly around his waist and abdomen, saying, "Habib, I do not want those dogs of Yazid to see me stooping with old age." Habib ibn Muzahid said, "But Muslim, you will not then have a turban on your head." Muslim replied, "When they kill me and when I meet our holy prophet, I want my white hair to be my witness when I complain to our prophet against Yazid and his people." When Muslim bin Asija rode out to fight, a soldier from Yazid's army teased him, "Oh old man, go back to your bed and lie there." Hazrat Muslim replied, "Oh dog, my bed is now the sword of Yazid. Let me show you the spirit of Islam." Saying so, he attacked the soldier and killed him with one stroke. Umar bin Saad sent 20 strong warriors to fight Muslim bin Asija. 6 were killed and 14 ran away. At last, thirsty and exhausted, Muslim bin Asija stopped his horse, looked at the sky, and appeared to be saying a prayer. Just then they fell upon him like hounds. Muslim bin Asija fell to the ground with countless wounds on his frail body. Habib bin Muzahid and Imam Hussain rushed to him. When they reached Muslim bin Asija, he looked at Imam Hussain and asked, "Master, how did I fight?" Imam Hussain replied, "You fought like a true follower of Ali Murtaza." Hazrat Muslim took Imam Hussein's hand in his hand, brought it near his lips, and he kissed Imam's hand. He breathed his last. There was a smile on his lips and pride on his face.